So there's so many myths floating around about programming, and honestly, they're scaring the new developers for no reason. People hear things like, AI will replace you, or you're not good at math. How can you become a coder? And instantly start doubting themselves. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 of the biggest programming myths that sound scary but aren't actually true, so you can stop stressing and focus on becoming a better developer. All right, myth number 1. You must memorize everything. This is the one that overwhelms the beginners. I remember when I first started coding, I thought I had to memorize every function, every syntax, every shortcut. And honestly, I stressed myself out for no reason. The truth is, programming is not about memorization. It's about how to find the solution. Stack Overflow, documentation, they exist for a reason. Even experienced developers don't memorize everything. We just know where to look and how to apply it. Think about it. Do you memorize every word in a language dictionary to speak fluently? You know enough words to communicate, and you look up the tricky ones. Coding works the same way. For instance, I rarely remember the exact syntax for a Python decorator off the top of my head, but I know how to Google it, understand it, and use it correctly in minutes. So the takeaway here is focus on understanding concepts, not memorizing lines of code. Once you get that, coding becomes way less stressful and way more enjoyable. All right, myth number 2. You must be a math genius to code. And this is kind of a half-truth. You'll only need basic arithmetic for most programming jobs, which require logical thinking and problem-solving skills instead. Advanced mathematics is only necessary for specialized fields like data science, machine learning, or game development. And even then, you often implement existing formulas rather than creating them from scratch. 90% of programming doesn't need advanced math. Most of what you're doing is logic and problem solving. You don't need to know calculus to make a web app or linear algebra to write a game. So don't stress about being a math prodigy. Coding is more about thinking logically, learning patterns, and solving problems. Honestly, that's a skill anyone can practice. Myth number 3. You have to learn every programming language. This one gets beginners stressed out so fast. I mean, scroll through any job posting, and you'll see you need to learn shit ton of language and framework to get a job. Your brain immediately think you can't do it. But the reality is, you do not need to know every single programming language out there. Programming languages are just tools like hammers, screwdrivers, or fancy coffee machines. You don't need to know every tool. You just need to know how to use the ones that matter for your project. For example, if you know Python, you can pick up JavaScript in a few days because the core concepts are basically the same. Loop won't behave differently in JavaScript. It behaves the same as in Python, just the syntax will be different. Once you understand the logic and problem-solving patterns, learning a new language becomes way easier. So don't panic if you see a list of 10 languages. Focus on learning one well, and the rest will follow when you need them. What you need to understand is that you master the concepts, not the entire programming language that exists. Myth number 4. Only genius people could be great programmers. But the truth is, programming is not reserved for geniuses only. Some people might pick things up faster at first, but long-term success comes from persistence, practice, and learning from mistakes. Think about it this way. Even the best programmers spend hours debugging code that doesn't work the first time. They make mistakes, break things, and learn. That's how you grow. You don't need to be genius. You just need to be persistent and curious. You can start as a complete beginner and with consistent effort, become a strong programmer. And honestly, if programming were only for geniuses, half of us would have given up already. Myth number 5. AI will replace programmers. This one has been blowing up lately. You've probably seen comments like AI will replace developers in future, or I built this app in 1 hour. Who needs a developer now? But the truth is AI is just a tool, not a replacement. It can help you write repetitive code, suggest solutions, debug a bit, but it can't replace the human brain. Designing software, understanding requirements, making decisions when things go wrong, that's all human territory. AI doesn't know context, priorities, or creativity the way we do. Let me give you a real example. Imagine you're building a web app. AI can generate some code for you, but it might be buggy or not fit your project exactly. You, the programmer, need to understand, adapt, and fix it. Without that, the code generated by AI is useless, and non-programmers can't fix that. So no, AI isn't taking over tomorrow. It's just a super helpful assistant. It makes your life easier, but no, it's not taking your job away. The takeaway is don't panic every time AI gets smarter. Learn to use it to your advantage. So there you have it, the 5 biggest myths that make beginners panic. You don't need to be a math teacher, know every language, memorize everything, fear AI, or be a genius. Just focus on learning, practicing, and solving problems. That's the real path to becoming a great programmer. You should have this fire inside you to learn. Things like being a genius are not in your hand, and you should ignore the noise. So next time you hear one of these myths, just ignore and focus on learning, because that's what really works. Now I want to hear some other myths related to programming from you. Drop it in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for similar content. I'll catch you in the next one.